Hello everyone, welcome to AFS Hackers. I'm Afshan. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the starting point machine of Hack the Box, that is SQL. So I have already started my machine and here is my IP address. Your IP address will be different. So let's start with the first task. So our first task is, what does the acronym SQL stand for? That is structured query language. It is a very basic question. You guys can Google it as well. Let's submit the answer. Yes, it is correct. And so task 2 is, during our scan, which port running MySQL do we find? So let's copy the IP address. So let's ping the machine first. Okay, it is up and running. So let's scan the machine and map. And let's wait. So we have used SC switch, and this switch will perform a script scan using the default set of scripts, and an SV switch will detect what version are running on what port. So here is our scan. So as you guys can see, on port 3306 TCP, MySQL service is running. So let's write 3306. Submit the answer. Okay. Task 3 is, what community developed MySQL version is the target running? Version is 5.5.5, MariaDB, right? So it is end with B. So let's write MariaDB. Let's submit the answer. Yes, it is correct. So task 4 is, what switch do we need to use in order to specify a login username for the MySQL service? So basically, MySQL is a database management service. You can create, update, and modify the data as per your requirements. And in order to communicate with the database, we need to install either MySQL or MariaDB on our local machine. You guys can use the following command, that is sudo apt update and sudo apt install MySQL star. Make sure you include the star symbol at the end of the command to include all the MySQL related packages. So I have already installed it. Let's connect to MySQL. We'll use H switch to connect to the host, and write your IP address here. U switch is for login user, will log in as root. So let's hit enter. Okay, so welcome to the MariaDB monitor. Okay, let's use this command, show databases. So there are 4 databases: HDB, information schema, MySQL, and performance schema. So let's use HDB. And the database has changed. So let's see what are the tables in HDB. So we'll use this following command, that is show tables. And there are 2 tables, config and users. So we'll use the following command to view the data, that is select star from config and semicolon. So as you guys can see, we have got our flag. Copy it. So our task 4 is, what switch do we need to use in order to specify a login username for the MySQL service? That is U switch. Task 5 is which username allow us to log in into MariaDB without providing a password. So if you see the hint, the root of all evil. So yes, we have already used root. So let's write it here, root. Okay. Task 6 is what symbol can we use to specify within the query that we want to display everything inside a table. So we have used star symbol to display everything inside a table. Yes, it is correct. What symbol do we need to end each query with? That is most important, that is semicolon. And I have already copied the flag, so let's paste it here and submit the flag. And yes, we have successfully upon this SQL machine of Hack the Box. I hope you like this video, guys. If you did, then share this video with your friends and colleagues. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and keep hacking.